Hello and welcome to my channel and my new video. Over here I have the Gshock B001 and I'm gonna show you how to align your watch hands or adjust your watch hands. What it is? Well, basically it is syncing your analog and digital time. So let's get started with the hand alignment. From the standard timekeeping mode, press and hold the upper left button for 5 seconds and release it once you hear the double beep, and I'm going to show you when to release it. So pay attention to my upper left finger. Let's go. Press and hold, 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 and now release it when the sub appears over here and the watch releases the double beep. As you can see, right now my gear hand or mode hand is aligned over here, and it should be aligned or pointed exactly at info on the dial, and it is. But if it's not, you can press the light button or start button to move it. So pressing the light button, I'm moving it anti-clockwise, or pressing the start button, I'm moving it clockwise and aligning it exactly at info. And there it is. For me, that is properly aligned. Once I have synced or aligned my mode hand over here, I'm gonna press the mode button once, and the hour and minute hand should align exactly at 12 o'clock. And as you can see, they are aligned. But if they are not, again, I can press the light button to move it anti-clockwise. In this case, the apparent movement is of the minute hand, but our hand follows it accordingly. So pressing the light moves it anti-clockwise and start button moves it clockwise. If it's way off, you can press and hold one of those two buttons and it will engage fast rotation. Pressing one of them again will stop it. As you can see, it moves slower in anti-clockwise fashion. Pressing the button will stop it, and now I'm pressing the start button to align it exactly at 12 o'clock. And once I've done, I have aligned my mode hand and my hour and minute hand. I'm gonna press the adjust button once, and my analog time should correspond to my digital time over here. It's 14 o'clock and 15 minutes in the digital time, so almost 16, and it is exactly, and it's correct. Now my analog and digital time are synced. That was another video on my channel. Thank you very much for watching, and if you are into watch related content, please subscribe. So thank you.